Hi dear friends, happy afternoon. Here I am very much happy to be here, nestled under the heritage beauty of the Chaliar and the mystical river, which flows the mystical history. Here the Chaliar and the river in the blending together in a place is called the Cultiversity. Let's back to heritage and back to nature. Let's celebrate the Immunity Carnival on April 1st to 11th. Immunity for community. Let's back to nature, back to rivers, back to future, and back to immunity. Immunity for community. Thank you so much for watching this one. We'll be updating Cultiversity. Back to nature. Thank you.